In continuation to that, now we are going to create a sub interfaces on this, and I have created a sub interfaces called gigabit 0 slash 1 3 and 2 4, and I have successfully even created the trunk node between these switches on 0 slash 1 of the switch and show interface trunk. Explain this 1324 is part of trunk and show VLAN 13 and 14 VLAN associated to the respective PCs. Similarly, I am going here config t interface gigabit ethernet 0 slash 1. Now I am not giving no. I am wanted to know switch port mode trunk. Either earlier it was in trunk. Switch port mode trunk. I'm just making it as trunk and I'm checking in. So here no need of both should not be present. That is a misconfiguration. Both things to be not present. So what I'm doing is switch port access VLAN 13 and port mode trunk. This is the right way. And added to here, I want to enable dot one queue. I've earlier enabled. Once again, I'm enabling it. Dot one queue. Dot one queue. Will 13. So this to accept the tag frames with 13. We are giving the command to accept tag frames with 0 13 tag on this interface encapsulation, and even for leaving also get tagged. So I've done it. Now I'm trying to ping between here and 0 slash 1. It should reach that interface of R1. If not, we need to check. Both are in trunk mode. That's it enough. That's well enough to do this show VLAN, show interface trunk. And when I do a ping to one, it should ping. It should ping. Or we'll try it from here. Ping 10.0.0.0. If it's not, some problem is there with this switch. We need to address it. I will just reload. The fresh switch. I didn't save the configuration. Default. 0 slash 1, 0 slash 2. First Ethernet 0 slash. Sorry. I have made all the interfaces to default. everything is in default. So show VLAN will not have any associated VLANs. So now I'm going, but VLAN entries are there. So I'm just going interface zeros. First Ethernet 0/1 interface first Ethernet 0/1 switch port mode access support access VLAN 13 interface first Ethernet 0/2 support mode access VLAN 24 interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 support mode VLAN mode trunk interface gigabit 0/2 switchboard mode trunk. No shit. So I have mentioned that show VLAN both are show interface trunk. Now try to ping. Maybe some problem might have with added that we need to check on router 1 up and running. So we have enabled the 24, 13 and 24 with the dot 20. So VLAN here dot one q here it is not enabled. See that is also sometimes simulator will not work. Something so be precautious enabling it. Dot one q 24. It's all differently configured. So we need to go here interface 13 no encapsulation dot one q 24 13 also I mentioned encapsulation dot one q 13 no shut interface gigabit 0/0 dot 24 encapsulation dot one q 24 no shut. On doing this I'm able to see that show running. See that now only my tag frames can able to accept here, because on doing this we can also put a simulation mode once we get a response. Now let's check what's happening when we do it. Why it is not accepted? Are you pinging right IP? I have not configured IP. Yeah? That's the problem. We have not configured the IP and we are trying to check. Now we can reset real time. IP address 10.0.0.0.1 255 255 255 252 no shit. Interface 0 slash 0 24 IP address 10.0.0.129 255 255 255 no shit. So we need to check these things over here. It's all up. So now I'm able to do. Should have earlier checked. Both the things are reachable. See, even you can see that I'm able to reach another VLAN from this VLAN. Why? Because I've enabled as trunk. So it leaves whatever it goes, it will put. So even if I ping 10.0.0.131, so it's pinging. It should not ping actually. Now, as we configured everything in trunk, all PCs are pinging. Ideally, the PC on the same VLAN to be pinged and PCs on other VLAN should not have the reachability. You can provide the reachability through routing functionality, but over VLAN trunk also it should take its own path. It should not. Why it is happening here is maybe little trunk configuration. It's taking check simulation mode. I'm doing 131. What it's searching? 131 going here and confirming. It should not do right. Should be reachable from 129. Let's check. Hello.